Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you've ever needed to trim grass, either regular grass in a hard to reach area that a lawnmower can't get to, or very thick brush and you needed something a little bit better than a lawnmower, this video might just be for you. So this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, could do a little unboxing, a little test, see what all our grass trimmer can do. Who am I to say no? But in no way whatsoever will this being provided to be affect this review, because I am just here to keep it real. So this comes all boxed up. Total assembly time, I would say less than 10 minutes. Not a whole lot to it from an installation standpoint. You need to bolt this on, a couple screws here, and then your blade of your choice. So this is all kind of one piece, and then these two things attach on. You have one single battery pack, a 21 volt, I must say, 21 volt 3 amp battery pack with a charger that when it turns green is fully charged. It comes with not one, but three different types of blade options. So you have this that looks like a saw. Then you have one that looks like an edger blade, except it's definitely sharp. Then you have what would be considered more of a wire string type setup, except this one's a little bit different. As you might notice, this one, instead of having it all wound up in there and you only have 2 strings coming out, 2, 4, 6, 8. So you're able to get 8 times as much stuff covered versus just the 2-wire setup. It does come with a very long roll of the old wires for this. It does come with 2 gloves because this thing is extremely sharp. Does come with a little travel or pouch for all your tools. Does come with a screwdriver and everything you need to adjust this, put it together, and then take these blades on and off. It also comes with these. So this is a telescoping handle. The twist here, you can shrink this down. So depending on the height of the user, it could go up or down. At full height, it's at about 43 inches to 45 inches or so. With the click of a button, this can adjust kind of the pitch as to kind of what you're working on. So if you wanted it more of like a 90, up to a 90 degree, but you can adjust it down. Basically just to make it easy to use. There are wheels on it that allow it to be moving back and forth just to make it easy to handle. And this handle does come in handy. It does come with a guard here and a guard here just to help with excess debris flying around, but you can still see exactly what you're doing, which is good to have this visible. To change out the blades, it's as easy as putting the screwdriver in the hole underneath, getting a grip using the... This comes off, and then a blade can be put on just like this. Lock that on for this blade. Same exact application for here. Just twist it on and you're good to go. Battery installation is very easy. Just line it up, snaps in place, press the button, comes off. There's also an LED display that lets you know how much battery power is left in it. Hopefully this answers any questions you might have about this here grass trimmer. I will talk to you soon.